how many ways are there to explore outdoors? Well, there's hiking, skiing, biking, climbing, skateboarding, mermaiding, zipping, off-roading, swimming, kayaking, snorkeling. Okay, so there's a lot of ways. And those are just the ones that we've done before. We, by the way, are Maisie and Mila. And this is our channel, Explore Outdoors with M&M. Okay, so back to all those ways to explore outdoors. Today, we're going to add a new one to that list. Today, we're going to try paddleboarding for the first time ever. Thank you to FunWater Boards for sending us our very first paddleboard. This is going to be so much fun. Let's stop talking and just do it already. That means we need to go to the beach. So we headed to our favorite beach. With the paddleboard all folded up in its backpack. It looks really big, but it's actually not that heavy. Let's get this thing set up. So, we have an air pump. We got part of the paddle. And it adjusts. Oops, too far. Luckily, it goes back together really easy. The paddle part, those just click together. Alright, that's ready. We have a dry bag with the extra tools in it. And the paddleboard. It's surprising just how big these things are when they aren't folded up. I love this paddleboard, it's so cute. The hose attaches to the pump and then to the board. The pressure gauge tells you when it's full. Blowing it up is actually really easy. Once it's full, just close it up. I just need to get the leash out here and take it into the water. The leash is there so if we fall off, we don't lose the board. It just loops through the ring on the back. And the other end goes around your ankle. Just need the fin now. The fin is there to stabilize the board and help it move in a straight line. The fin slides right on and clips into place. It's ready. Time to try it out. This beautiful shallow blue water is perfect for learning how to paddleboard. Wow. Woo! Paddleboarding tip number 1. Try it kneeling a few times before standing up. It's just a little easier to get your balance that way. Okay, so they say to pedal on one side, then on the other to keep it straight. This is just gonna take a little practice. Whoa, harder than I thought. But after not very long, I felt like I was getting it, and it was starting to feel easy. So it was time to take it up a notch. Yeah, I'm standing. For a second. So it takes a little while to get a hang of the balancing, okay? But at least I didn't get wet. Yet. So I fell a lot. But that's okay. Just get back up and try again. And then it happened. That was scary. My back was back there. I need to. No, I can help myself. Luckily, you can also paddle this thing with your hand, like a surfer. I'm gonna take a warm-up break now. Okay. So, I thought I was doing good until I just fell all in. By the way, the water's cold today. So the steering is standing. It's hard when you first start, but I can see when you get used to it, it can be really fun. Oh, all right, I'm looking forward to trying it again. Now it's my turn. I want to see if I can not get wet. Okay. Getting on a paddleboard for the first time is kind of a weird feeling, but like in a fun, wobbly kind of way. It took a moment to get used to it, but then I started to get it moving really fast. Then I had to figure out how to turn this thing around. They say to paddle backwards a few times on one side to turn it around. And it works. Now I'm taking it back to shore. That was far more harder than I thought. I'm gonna let Maisie try again. Did you know you could take a passenger on a paddleboard? Of course, to be that passenger, you kinda have to trust your driver, which I don't. Ready? Oh, she dunked me! Yep, but it was still fun. Even though she dunked me, it was pretty nice getting in all the way. And that ride was really fun. But I'm not going on with Maisie anymore. Maisie is a kind of a crazy driver. Going back in. We kept playing with the paddleboard for a while, and I fell off a bunch more times. Like that. But I also got back up and tried again. By the end of the day, I really felt like I had it. Yep, and we decided paddleboarding is super fun. And we really love our FunWater board. We definitely recommend them. It's fantastic. We can't wait to take it out on even bigger adventures. Definitely. But where, oh where, will those bigger adventures be? Stay tuned to find out. Well, I'm totally hooked. Paddleboarding is so much fun, and I can't wait to do it again. In the meantime, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.